Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two folding treadmills that will take your fitness game to the next level.
On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill. Let the battle begin.
Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. Both treadmills are priced at an affordable $299.
It's like a treadmill Black Friday sale that never ends. But hey, we're not here to just talk about the price. Let's dive deeper into the features. The Goplus treadmill starts strong with its innovative 2-in-1 design.
It's like having two treadmills in one.
When the riser is folded, it becomes a jogging machine, perfect for a leisurely stroll.
But raise the handrail and boom, you've got a running machine that goes from 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour.
Talk about versatility.
On the other side, the Cursor Fitness treadmill brings the heat with its powerful 2.5 HP brushless motor.
It's so quiet that your downstairs neighbors won't even know you're working out. Plus, it offers a top speed of 7.5 miles per hour.
That's faster than the speed at which I devour a bag of chips.
Now let's talk about the displays. The Goplus treadmill features a multifunctional LED display that shows time, speed, distance, and calories burned.
It's like having your own personal trainer right in front of you, minus the yelling and judgmental stares.
Meanwhile, the Cursor Fitness treadmill comes equipped with a digital LED console that not only displays your workout progress, but also offers programs to spice up your routine.
It's like having a treadmill with a built-in DJ who knows your favorite workout jams. Moving on to the running area.
The Goplus treadmill boasts a spacious 39.3x 16-inch non-slip running belt, providing a safe and comfortable cushion for your knees and muscles.
It's like running on clouds except without the rain and thunder. Now, the Cursor Fitness treadmill offers a slightly larger running area, measuring 15.4x 40.2 inches. That's enough space for you, your family, and even your furry friends to get their fitness on.
It's like hosting a treadmill party. Let's not forget about the extra bells and whistles. The Goplus treadmill comes with a Bluetooth speaker, so you can blast your favorite tunes while breaking a sweat. Plus, it has a phone holder for all your binge-watching needs.
Just don't blame us if you start running slower during intense episodes.
On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness treadmill offers real-time heart rate monitoring with built-in handrail sensors.
It's like having a personal cardiologist tracking your heart rate 24/7.
Stay safe and fit, my friends. Both treadmills have their unique features, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to your personal preferences.
Remember, always do your research, compare products, and make an informed decision.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us next time on Buy Smart, where we'll continue to help you navigate the world of endless choices.
Stay smart, stay fit, and stay fabulous.